Whirlpool is a well-known name across any water-oriented appliance. Although there are great water dispenser alternatives, the best Whirlpool water cooler on the market will exceed your expectations, whether for home or office use. We've researched and found 7 top-rated Whirlpool water coolers, as well as one you should avoid. And now for the Freshnss.com reviews of the 7 best Whirlpool water cooler, plus the worst one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Whirlpool self-cleaning bottom-loading commercial water cooler with LED indicators. Self-cleaning and bottom-loading is the dream for any office or home stationed water cooler. This machine is the best water cooler because of its outstanding features and sleek design. It's also the best stainless steel Whirlpool water cooler, as well as this unit uses entirely stainless steel housing. The Whirlpool self-cleaning bottom-loading commercial water cooler with LED indicators has a complete nickel-plated stainless steel exterior. The entire water cooler is visually appealing and will match nicely with any kitchen or office environment. But the best feature of the Whirlpool self-cleaning bottom-loading commercial water cooler with LED indicators is the bottom-loading technology. This unit uses a water siphon and pumps design. The pump is durable enough to last through years of hard use, and the water siphon ensures that you get every drop of water in that jug. The unit keeps hot water steaming and ready at all times, while its cold water passes over ice for a crisp chill. The water compressor only turns on when necessary, which helps extend the lifespan of this water cooler. Coming in at number 2, Whirlpool self-cleaning hot and cold stainless bottom-loading water cooler. This unit is the best self-cleaning water cooler, Whirlpool water cooler available right now. It uses a 6th sense self-cleaning technology that relies on unstable oxygen to kill bacteria and viruses. There's no push button or flipping levers, and the self-cleaning function detects when it needs to turn on. It also has an LED indicator which shows when it's in the middle of a cleaning cycle. Aside from its self-cleaning function, this is a very standard bottom-loading water cooler. The hot dispenses at a comfortable steaming but not boiling temperature. The cold water dispenses approximately 9 degrees cooler than the competition. The downside of this cooler is the exterior. It uses a nickel-plated stainless steel brush front which looks nice, but the rest of the unit is black plastic. Although it will fit nicely in a kitchen or office setting, the black plastic attracts fingerprints and doesn't clean as quickly as the stainless steel does. Coming in at number 3, Whirlpool commercial single-serve coffee maker and bottom-loading water cooler. What makes this water cooler stand out from the others is its wide variety of compatibility. Unlike most water coolers, this one doesn't just pour out hot and cold water. The Whirlpool commercial single-serve coffee maker and bottom-loading water cooler work with Keurig K-cups holding a 640-ounce water jug and brews a cup of coffee in about 30 seconds. The Whirlpool commercial single-serve coffee maker and bottom-loading water cooler is the best high-end Whirlpool water cooler because of its many features. It's one of the few units capable of actually brewing coffee because it holds a very accurate temperature. There's minimal temperature fluctuation in the hot water steam. Finally, it's bottom loading, which means you don't have to struggle to lift the giant water jug and flip it into the cooler. Water jugs are easily changeable. You only need to change the pump from one bottle to the next. Coming in at number 4, Whirlpool self-cleaning bottom-loading commercial water cooler with digital temperature control. This Whirlpool water cooler is everything you could want. It's perfect for any office because of the digital temperature control. Too often, office coolers seem such frequent use that they lose a lot of temperature control. The digital readouts allow you to control the settings so the compressor isn't always overworking itself. The Whirlpool self-cleaning bottom-loading commercial water cooler with digital temperature control is the best bottom-load Whirlpool water cooler. There are a ton of bottom-loading water cooler options available, but this one uses a powerful pump and siphon combination. Because of its design, it's also the easiest to load from the bottom with a door that opens wide enough to slide the water bottle into place quickly. Coming in at number 5, Whirlpool commercial single-serve bottom-loading water cooler with K-cup pod. Like other Whirlpool models, the Whirlpool commercial single-serve bottom-loading water cooler with K-Cup pod relies on extra features to stand out from the crowd. There are a lot of similar water coolers, but this one is a 2-in-1 appliance that focuses on being easy to clean as well. The single-serving side has a removable drip tray to help clean up the overflow. It's easy to access the K-Cup pod section to get your coffee brewing. The coffee brews at about 201 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for a morning cup to wake you up. The only drawback to this cooler is that it's lost some function of the water cooler aspect in order to accommodate the single serving and heating features. The water cooler takes some time to recover when switching from hot to cold water because the compressor must switch on. Coming in at number 6, Whirlpool Commercial Water Cooler. The traditional white cooler you could find in nearly any office building in the 90s is back. This water cooler is the best water cooler on a budget, as you can easily get this unit for under $200. But these units stand out because they've lasted the test of time. The top-loading design isn't preferred by many, but the structural design allows it to take quite the beating. The white exterior does grab a lot of dirt, but its smooth sides make it easy to clean. Overall, this is a great no-frills water cooler. It dispenses cold water at about 10 degrees cooler than other Whirlpool models. This model is great for anyone looking to get a water cooler in their home or office setting. Coming in at number 7, Whirlpool Self-Cleaning Bottom-Loading Commercial Water Cooler with Ice-Chilled Water. This cooler is an excellent choice for anyone who needs an in-between water cooler. The cold water function dispenses at about 9 degrees cooler than most of the other water coolers available. When compared to the competing water coolers, it's clear that this Whirlpool water cooler will outlast many others that are available. The structure of this unit can withstand up to 300 pounds of weight and maintains its cold temperature very well. The exterior design uses the same basic construction as most of Whirlpool's other options. Its complete stainless steel water dispenser has a nickel-plated stainless steel door for its bottom loading door. But across the top section, we see the same black plastic that we know will attract fingerprints and grime. The Whirlpool self-cleaning bottom-loading commercial water cooler with ice-chilled water serves its purpose for years to come, whether it's in a kitchen, home, or office. The only downside is that single safety function on the hot water dispenser is a compressed lever. Many other models are changing their safety functions to reach out to outreach buttons that children can't reach. Consider the safety function before buying if you know you have small children around. And now for the Whirlpool water cooler to avoid. Whirlpool Commercial Water Cooler Ice-Chilled Water with White Water Dispenser. This machine is the most people envision when they think of a water cooler. This top-loading monster from the 1990s has found its way back on the market, but it still comes with the same issues you expected 30 years ago. The warranty is only valid if you purchase it separately from an authorized Real Machines retailer. But that's not the only issue with this warranty. Whirlpool will only cover warranty repairs on this unit if the problem is directly related to manufacturer defects. The machine will quickly pick up dirt and grime, not to mention it's difficult to clean because of its white textured exterior. These models are known for giving out after a few months of use and then having issues with dispensing. Then there's the issue of cleaning the backup buildup inside the nozzles. Overall, this unit might be able to hold a lot of weight, but you shouldn't expect it to last more than a year or so. It's the worst Whirlpool water cooler on the market. And now for the Freshnss.com final thoughts on buying the best Whirlpool water cooler. When you're looking for the best Whirlpool water cooler, always consider the location you're planning to put the water cooler, such as home or office use, as well as features you need. Aim for simplicity.